Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we discuss the best ways to make money online. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money online by simply watching YouTube videos. Yes, you heard it right. You can earn some extra cash while watching your favorite content on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best platforms that pay you to watch YouTube videos. So, without further ado, let's get started. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. Firstly, let's talk about Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular survey and reward platform that pays its users to watch videos on YouTube. By simply watching videos, you can earn Swagbucks points which can later be redeemed for gift cards or cash through PayPal. On average, you can earn up to $7.50 for watching 5 videos. That's a great way to earn some extra cash while watching your favorite content. Secondly, we have Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is another reward platform that pays you to watch YouTube videos. With Inbox Dollars, you can earn cash by watching a variety of videos, including news, entertainment, and more. Similar to Swagbucks, you can redeem your earnings for gift cards or cash through PayPal. Moving on, we have MyPoints. MyPoints is another survey and reward platform that pays its users to watch YouTube videos. You can earn points by watching videos, which can later be redeemed for gift cards or cash. On average, you can earn up to 10 cents for each video you watch. Next up is Vindale Research. Vindale Research is a market research company that pays its users to watch videos on YouTube. With Vindale Research, you can earn up to 25 cents for every video you watch. Once you have earned a minimum of $50, you can withdraw your earnings through PayPal or a check. Lastly, we have Perk.tv. Perk.tv is a rewards platform that pays its users to watch videos on YouTube. You can earn Perk points by watching videos, which can later be redeemed for gift cards or cash through PayPal. That's it for today's video on how to make money online by watching YouTube videos. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Now, you have 5 platforms that pay you to watch videos on YouTube. So, what are you waiting for? Start earning some extra cash today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.